Are you struggling to upload an image using Vue.js and Django? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're trying to implement a feature and it just doesn't work. You're not the only one who has faced this issue, and it's completely normal to feel stuck. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I upload an image file using Django REST Framework in a single-page application? They provided some code snippets and are looking for guidance on how to create or update a user's profile picture. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. To understand the issue, we need to look at both the Django backend and the Vue.js frontend. The Django model is set up to handle image uploads, but we need to ensure the Vue.js code is correctly sending the image data. Stay with me until the end, because I have a great tip that will make your image uploads seamless and efficient. To begin, the user needs to implement the logic for creating or updating the profile picture in the Django Vue set. This can be done by overriding the create or update methods. Next, the user should check if the profile picture exists. If it does, they can update it. If not, they can create a new instance of user detail. Now the user can save the changes to the database. This involves calling the save method on the user detail instance after setting the profile picture. Finally, the user should return a response indicating success or failure. This can be done using Django's response object. Fun fact, did you know that the first image ever uploaded to the internet was a photo of a band called Les Horrible Cernettes? It was a JPEG image uploaded in 1992. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach, shared by another user, points to the official Django REST Framework documentation. They suggest using the file upload parser for handling file uploads, which can simplify the process of uploading images in your application. Here's a pro tip. Always validate the image file type and size on both the client and server sides to prevent any issues during the upload process. And there you have it. You should now be able to upload images using Django REST Framework and Vue.js. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.